guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Google Meet inside your classroom. So first you go to these 9 dots. Here your circle, I guess you call it, and then you press it. There's this Meet that's supposed to say, or maybe it's under the bottom, but somewhere. Mine just says over here. You just click on it. And then it'll say New Meet. You're going to click on that. You can either schedule it in your Google Calendar, but we're just going to start an instant meeting. And then this will happen. But if you want to share it with your class, which most of us do, we're just going to press this New Meeting and get a meeting link to share. I'm going to press this little sort of like paper button, and it says copied meeting link. You're going to come back to your Google Classroom, and then you can go and paste it, and you can post it. Or you can go and press this add button and then paste it again. And then there's this class video meeting. Save. And then that's how you do it. So that's basically it. And also for classwork, I will show you guys how to do these posters in the next video. So see you later. Bye.